Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to add to my list in Netflix. So in order to add shows and movies in your list, you'll have to find where the show is. So let's say I want to add some of these shows. So let's say I want to add Dr. House, for example. In order to add it to my list, you have to get on it with your mouse like this, and then click here, add to my list display plus icon. And right now, when I click it, as you can see, this check mark appears and it is added in my list. Now, if you don't have the show, just search for it right here in the search bar. And then you have to go to my list right here to check if it's already there. So as you can see, Dr. House. And I can also remove it from my list just by clicking on this check mark right here. So it is really this simple. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.